let's again talk about how important sleep is for seniors.
Sleep is a very important and essential biological process necessary for the brain and the body to repair cells and to recharge for the next day. It is important for the brain function. The lack of sleep will increase the risk for mortality. It will give you poor health. It will influence everything that you do. We underestimate the importance of sleep, and we don't pay attention. We just think that if it happens, happens, not considering that that will affect directly how we perform.
That's very true. I think a lot of us ignore maybe if we're getting enough sleep or not. And I also understand there might be a little bit of a debate over how much sleep we actually need. The National Sleep Foundation says it's a myth that you need less sleep as you age. And I'm just wondering what you would say to that.
I believe that the need for sleep will remain. What really changes is the sleep architecture. And by saying that, I mean elderly people will take longer to fall asleep. They will fall asleep earlier and wake up earlier. And it will be easier to wake them up because they will be sleeping in a more superficial stage of a sleep. So it's mainly the architecture of the sleep that will change.